Hey, it's Dan McDonald. Today I'm going to share with you a juice that's better than celery juice. Just kidding. It's just about the same. It's different, but it's awesome. Before I get started on today's video, I wanted to talk about my new online class, Thriving in a Dying World, How to Achieve True Health in a World of Confusion, Deception, and Misinformation. Ooh, I should have stopped by the store and got some aluminum. What's up? So, check that out. I've already got a lot of great feedback about that. That's everything I can't share on the internet just due to the algorithms and the censorship of information. It's 29 bucks. That's like I'm giving it away for free. I want as many people to have this information as possible. It's been sitting on my chest for years, and my business partners and even my own self. I'm like, okay, I just can't share this anymore. We're not allowed to talk about the truth. But on our private internet website school, regenerateyourlife.org, where I have an online school, I'm allowed to share the true knowledge of life so you can be informed and so that you don't fall into the trap of the profits over people mentality. So you can take good care of yourself with the right information. How to thrive, okay? So check that out. There's a link down below on this video. I am going to make cucumber juice better than celery juice. No way. Actually, cucumber juice is just different. Cucumber juice is awesome. It's a low sugar fruit. Fruit is the best food for humanity for so many different reasons. Economically, it just grows on the trees right outside your house. I had star fruit for breakfast this morning, growing on the tree right outside. Fruit is great for the environment because it has no packaging. It also grows annually. And usually what you learn about nature living in a place like Hawaii is that there's more abundance than the humans and animals can eat. A lot of delicious food falls to the ground and we just can't get to it. And so nature and fruit trees are also very abundant. They've got the best living water. That's the beauty of these cucumbers and the living minerals. So this is a beauty juice right here. And a juice to hydrate you in a world that is getting drier and drier. Check out Thriving in a Dying World and find out what I mean by that. So stay hydrated. Juices like this are absolutely incredible. I've got a, check it out. This is a nut milk bag, and I put that over the end here on the Green Star juicer. I wrap that little green cord and then watch what happens. And you'll make, it's about 1/4 of the juice is in the pulp, because cucumbers, no matter what juicer you've got, cucumbers are so water rich that you've always got water left over in the pulp. You can always run it through the juicer again, or you can do the nut milk bag method. Good old Green Star, baby. Hydrate. Still the same old message, really. It's over and over again because it was common sense back then and it's common sense right now. You don't want to get clogged up with mucus because you'll lose your energy. And then what you'll find is that not only do you lose your energy and then have to rely on stimulants to dilate your blood vessels so that you can have some circulation and get energy moving, but it also ends up leaving behind residues in the body. Just overeating in general. Doesn't matter what your dietary preferences are. Overeating more than the organism can digest and utilize is going to be a problem. And then you're going to have aches and pains because of the leftover residues that tend to irritate the nerves and coagulate in the joints. And then, depending upon the quality of the food that you eat, you're going to find that, the different variables within your glands within your organs. You know, the liver doesn't do really well with the hydrogenated trans fats. And so that's why I always recommend whole foods and minimal processing. And that's why I'm always trying to tell everyone, you know, avoid processed foods as much as you can, because then you can avoid the pitfalls. Most of the food that's consumed is processed food, and that's why I want to share the message of supporting farmers, buying real food that farmers grow like this, and bringing it home and preparing it for yourself, and then you avoid about, you know, 50% of the problem is in the processed foods, the chemicals, and the way that the microorganisms or the microbiome in your gut or your immune system responds to not only the chemicals in the processed foods, but also just the processed, denatured fibers, lack of living water, lack of microbes on the food. Fresh foods have microbes living on them. You bring the external healthy ecology and environment from organic foods into your body, and you create a living ecosystem within your gut. And then the byproducts of that ecosystem are what go into your blood and animate your organs and animate your blood, and in the most subtlest ways affect your mind and your consciousness. So the microbes that are releasing byproducts in your gut become your thoughts, because this is happening. Imagine microorganisms. Now imagine their little microscopic poops. That is actually information and energy. So whatever you eat, you feed those types of microbes, and those microbes release different types of metabolites. So all you have to do is understand food, what types of food have what types of effect on the human organism, and then make the decision as to what your goals are in this life. And that's why you see so much arguing on the internet, is because people have different goals. And there's no one-size-fits-all dietary program. It took me a long time to realize that. I foolishly assumed, which I shouldn't have, you know, that, you know, my priority has always been energy. That's what I like. I've got a lot of energy in my life right now. You know, I've been doing this for 20 years on this intense health journey. 25, it started out with bodybuilding. So, you know, but it just keeps evolving. And then I was introduced to the living foods and fasting 19 years ago. This month, as a matter of fact, 19 years birthday. All right. And so what happens is you continually learn more and more about how to do better and better. And pretty much what you learn is to quit doing the dumb crap that makes you feel like you know what. And that's pretty, and you learn, it's like, about all the things you're addicted to, and then you just try to break all the addictions, and what you realize is that you're pretty much, everything you do is like, has some type of addictive thing. So you like, after a while you become a sage, and you're just like, I don't want anything. I'll drink some cucumber juice. Ding, it's like, you're gonna die. It's like, no, I just drink cucumber juice, I stay hydrated, I sweat out all the toxins, I just rest easy, I live a low stress life, I get a lot of sleep, and I do yoga and rebounding and running and cycling and hiking and weightlifting, and I just stay nice and calm and centered, and everything is moderation, everything is simplicity. And then you find out it's just too much eating, too much partying, too much drinking, too much smoking, too much thinking, too much internet, too much of everything except just nature's calm, peaceful blessings upon your life. So cucumber juice, which I've made this video before, but I got a lot of requests for juice recipes or a juice video or whatever. Even the hardcore people, you know, were just like, make some juice recipe videos. It's like, okay, this is what I'm good at. I don't even know what just happened or what I just said. Maybe I'll even watch this one. It sounded pretty good though, whatever it was. And so here's this here. So let's check this out. See what I'm saying? So there's that in the bag. You know what I'm saying? Boom. So we're going to get quite a bit. I'm not going to do this whole thing, but you can keep going for a minute. Oh, this looks like it got a little hole in it. Yeah, it does. But, you know, so you can just keep squeezing it out. I'm not going to do it all on camera here, but you just keep squeezing that out. And that cucumber juice is, you know, it's excellent to take any of your supplements that you want to take because it's just very benign. And it's also very nourishing on its own, especially for people with SIBO, inflammation of the gut, inflammation in the body anywhere, gout, arthritis, skin problems. Cucumber juice is amazing because it energizes, because it's got those nice, it's like a special kind of sugar that is, it's not like oranges. That's a different kind of, like, I love orange juice and oranges, you know, and that type of sugar. But it's a special kind of very mellow, very like, you know, like peaceful, easy, moderate. And it's good for everyone because it's the low sugar. Some people have dysbiosis and can't handle the sugars, or they've got the mucus and it keeps for the sugars from absorbing, and then they get the candidas and things like that. So we're clearing out our guts. We're absorbing and utilizing our foods. We're getting natural, whole foods, as minimally processed as possible, like this, just to have fun. I love to eat cucumbers. I love to juice them. I love to eat celery. I love to juice it. I love to eat oranges. I love to juice them. You know, juicing changed my life 25 years ago. And I see all the stuff on the internet about this, that, and the other. And those are great logical, linear, you know, mathematical arguments about fiber and everything else. But for 25 years, I've drank juice every day. And it is the one thing that was the foundation to completely transform my life to where at this moment, I have goosebumps coming up my back because I can't even believe how blessed I am. I know I'm supposed to say that. I'm an internet influencer, blah, blah, blah. Everything's perfect. I'm just saying, and it's not perfect. And I do continue have to push through my own, there's the iceberg below the water, but that's why, you know, we got to keep going, and we got to make the unconscious conscious, all the programs and all that, bringing it up so we can wake up to the highest levels of potential that we have, which is infinite inside of all of us. But we've got to get this temple working, because when this thing is working well, then this thing starts to work well. Then this thing opens up, and what happens is then you begin to realize there's much more, and it's much deeper. Then you begin to contemplate, meditate, and concentrate on the infinite self, and then the system truly begins to be harmonized, and then you really start to awaken, because then you can hear the inner guidance. You can hear the inner divinity speaking to you, guiding you on your path, leading you back to the one which is your self. I am thirsty. I am going to drink juice. DTM approved. I've been gone for like 3 weeks, so I don't really even know, but looks like I'll survive. I don't know, really, to tell you the truth. The one doesn't look that good. Oh, this one's got some fresh water. Some fresh. Okay, so I got to go. Usually I wash every jar. I put it away. Then I wash it again because cockroaches and stuff like that. Thanks, everyone, for everything. Thank you for taking care of yourself. This, actually, okay, so this, is for the respiratory detox protocol, which I'm about to do that next. So that's dirty lids. Not DTM approved. Can you dig it, baby? Okay, so there we go. I'm going to put that away for a minute. And that's a kind of a prop on my next video. And this is for me. Thank you so much for purchasing Thriving in a Dying World, How to Achieve True Health on every level, so you can get it. The total and complete absolute. Because I believe that that's what we all deserve, and that's what we're all here for eventually, you know? So may your soul blossom effortlessly as you just release everything that stands in the way. I'm your DTM. I have so much love and appreciation. You've been such a blessing in my life. And I want you to know that. So thank you so much. I'll be in touch with you real soon because I'm going to be pumping out these videos. Okay, I won't even mention that. But anyways, the internet's out. It broke from Oahu to Kauai. The internet broke in the bottom of the ocean, so we have no internet. So I don't know when this is going up, but I didn't even mention that because I wanted it to be timeless. But it'll be timeless in its own way. So thank you very much. Drink your juice. Stay hydrated. Take care of yourself. This is your temple. Temple of light. Temple of love. Temple of divine knowledge. Oh, after 25 years, it never gets old. It just goes right to your heart, right to your stomach, and especially with cucumber juice. And it went right to my brain because I haven't had anything except a couple of star fruits, and it's already noon, and I've been talking on the phone all day doing consults. And that was just so soothing and so magnificent.